In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the list ID in ClickUp, whether you're setting up integrations or just need to reference the list ID for something specific. Understanding this process can be incredibly helpful. Let's walk through the steps to locate this ID in ClickUp. First, you'll need to head over to clickup.com and log into your account. This is the essential starting point, since the list ID is only accessible within your personal ClickUp workspace. Make sure you're logging in with the correct credentials and have access to the project you're planning to work on. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to choose the workspace and the particular project where you'll be working. In ClickUp, workspaces act like containers for your projects and tasks, and it's important to ensure you're in the correct one to find the list you're interested in. Selecting the correct workspace will give you the access you need to proceed to the next step. With your workspace and project selected, let's move forward by clicking on the list view. ClickUp offers various ways to view your tasks, but for this purpose, the list view is what you'll need. Navigation here is quite intuitive, but if you're new to ClickUp, just keep an eye out for the panel on the left. This will help guide you to the list view option. Now, you'll want to locate the specific task or list you're interested in. Once you find it, click on the three dots icon. This icon is usually on the right side of the task name and provides a drop-down menu with additional options. This is where you can access some more detailed functionalities and the option to find your list ID. Finally, in that drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Copy ID. Click on this option and that's it. The list ID is now copied to your clipboard, ready for you to paste wherever you need it. Whether this is for automation purposes, integrations, or simply for your records, having this ID accessible is crucial. In summary, getting the list ID in ClickUp involves logging into your account, selecting the appropriate workspace and project, going into the list view, locating your specific task, clicking on the three dots for options, and then selecting Copy ID. By following these steps, you can seamlessly access the list ID without any hiccups. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Happy ClickUpping!